In this video, I'll try to explain how the math method is working. You know, as you can see at page 230 in the financial management book, you can see the total method here and the marginal method here. And you can see that the highest profit, you have this at a price of 8. And the same, it's of course the same in the marginal method. So now I will try to explain to you the math method, how to solve this. Here you have all the relations between price and volume sold. And you have a price of 12, sales of 0. And if the price is 0, it is 1200. So let's have a look at the curve. You can see it here. Price 12, you sell nothing. And if the price is 0, you will have 1200 units here. So this line, we have to find out how to create this. And as you can see here, a straight line, it is like this. Price equals A multiplied by X, that's the volume, plus B. So let's have a look. If you know two different points at this line, you can make the function. And in this case, they have taken this point 12.0 and 2. And if you have a price of 2, it's not shown here, but at the prices of 2, you have a sale of 1000 units. You can see that here in the table, 12, 0 to 1000. So let's go back here and see if you look at the A, it equals change in price, that is 12 minus 2, it's 10. And change in volume, it is from 0 to 1000, it is minus 1000. So it is 1 divided by 100 with a minus in front. That is the slope. That is the way to calculate the slope. The change in price between the 2 points divided by the change in volume. And always with the minus because the slope is always negative. So now you know the A here. Now we need to find out what is the B. But then you can see here at a given price, let's say 10, at a sale of 200 units, you can see here if the price is 10, it's not shown here, but it is, no, let's go back and look at it at the table so you can see it here. Price of 10, the volume will be 200. So that is one of the points on the line, on the straight line. So you know that price, it was 10, and the slope is 1 divided by 100, the minus, and the x, it was the 200 units, plus b. We don't know what b is yet, but we can calculate it now. From this formula, b must be 12. Therefore, we now know that the total formula for the straight line is p equals minus 1 divided by 100, x plus 12. And now we can calculate the marginal revenue curve, because we want to use the marginal revenue curve and the marginal cost curve to find the optimum price. The marginal revenue curve has the double slope. You can see it here. It is this line here. It always has the double slope. So therefore you can see the marginal revenue is 1 divided by 100 multiplied by 2, and therefore you get the double slope plus 12, and it equals this formula. So minus 1 divided by 50, x plus 12, it is the marginal revenue curve. And then the marginal revenue curve must equal the marginal cost curve, and there we have the optimum price. And we know that the cost price is 4. The marginal cost is 4. Every extra unit will cost us 4. So therefore, marginal revenue, it is this formula, equals 4, the marginal cost. And we can solve this and find out that X is 400. That means that we have at a volume of 400, sorry, here, 400, we have the price of 8, and that is the optimum price. And it was exactly the same as we found here. Price of 8, we had the maximum. So now we have solved it in the math way.